Welcome to Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to generate a warehouse job list report in Fresa application. Initially, we have to log into Fresa application. After your successful login, this is how your dashboard looks. Now go to the warehouse module. Here, we have to select on the warehouse job list menu under the warehouse module. After clicking that, the warehouse job page will be displayed on the screen. In this page, we have to enter the required date range. Then we have to click the submit button. Now, the warehouse related job details will be shown. If you want to download these details, just click the options menu. Then we have to click the download button to download these details. This is how to generate a warehouse job list report in Fresa application. Thanks for watching.